Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Ollie, many times here on Growing Guitar. This time, worst way. Alright, so we have this melody that goes in the same way through the entire song. We have the chords, we're gonna alternate with the strumming and all that good stuff. So, no problems, we're gonna handle this, guys. We're gonna start with capo set on the 6th fret, okay? So it's high up to get the high notes combined with the easiest chords possible. So capo on 6, that's a good starting point. Let's go over the chords. And I can just mention right now, these two notes, the 1st fret B string and the 3rd fret E string down there, these will be, 2 fingers will be glued to these 2 notes. And I suggest you do that with the index on the 1st fret B string, then your little pinky on the 3rd fret E string. So index on 1st B, little pinky on 3rd E. That's a starting point. Then the bass will give us direction on what chords we will use. So we're gonna start with F first. You have the 3rd D string and 2nd G string. And the rest down there is 1st B and 3rd E, of course. So that is the F grip. Then C, you move everything up, not everything, but the 2 fingers you are mobile with, the 3rd A and 2nd D, and then open G, 1st B, and 3rd E. That is the C grip. Then A minor, you go to this position, and that gives us open A, 2nd E, 2nd G, 1st B, and 3rd E. We have the GB chord, and what you do is to go up to this position, that is 2nd A, open D, open G, and yes, 1st B, 3rd E. And there we have the chords needed. F, C, A minor, and GB. All right, so we're gonna look at the melody first, the finger pickings. So F part will be, so that is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, 3rd E, and back to 1st B. The C picking will be 3rd on A, open G, 1st B, 3rd E, and back to 1st B. The A minor picking, so that is open A, 2nd G, 1st B, 3rd E, and back to 1st B. And the GB picking will be 2nd A, open G, 1st B, 3rd E, and back to 1st B. All right, so there we have the 4 combinations. So when you play the melody, you're gonna play 1 picking round for every chord. And the first half of it, because it's 2 halves here, the first half will be F, C, A minor, G, B. And then the second half will be F, A minor, C, G, B. So the second half will just switch between A minor and C, the order there. So F, C, A minor, G, F, A minor, C, G. Okay, so if you follow 1 picking round per chord there, you will play like that from the beginning till the very end if you just stay with the melody. 1 round goes like this. There you have the melody. You can also switch up to play the strumming. So we're gonna learn that now. If you grab the first chord, the F, 1 string around will be down, down, up, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up. That's it. So a couple rounds. You you're gonna play one string around per chord in the same order, of course, F, C, A minor, G, F, A minor, C, and G, like this. That's it. So you can jump between melody and strumming or just stay with one part. It's up to you. Ollie's worst way. That's it here. So hope you enjoyed this, guys. And if you did, give me a like on this tutorial, leave me a comment, or perhaps considering subscribe to this channel. Why not? So thank you for your support, guys. Play tuned.